everyone, and here I'm going to make today poha with roasted rice flakes. It's flattened rice flakes. This is how it looks. You have to wash it and drain it, and I'll show you how to make the poha. It's more like thing that they do in Karnataka, Bangalore, and it's like a snack or a breakfast item. Okay, so here we go. Hello everyone, I'm going to make poha today, and these are the ingredients. I use peanuts, roasted peanuts, and I peeled it from here, a cup of roasted peanuts, and this is the poha flakes, roasted matar. It's like beaten rice. You can get it from the Indian store. You wash it and drain it in a sea. And then the other ingredients are cumin seeds, mustard seeds, turmeric powder. This is plain bhujia that is you can get from the Indian store. Haldiram's plain bhujia. It is mild, spicy bean flour noodles. And then you need green chilies, ginger, curry leaves, 1 lemon, and some cilantro. So I'll show you how it's done. Okay, in a hot pan, put some coconut oil. Some mustard seeds. I took it off the heat so it will cool down. Some cumin. Some curry leaves. Green chilies. And some grated. Put the peanuts. Some turmeric. Some sea salt. And then put the poha. That's it. cilantro, it's almost ready. Okay, you can add some water if it is too dry. And taste for salt. I need some more salt. And then cover and keep for some time on low heat. Okay, so it's been cooking for some time. You can taste it. Tastes good. Put some lemon juice. Mix it. Taste again. Need some more lemon juice. Taste it again. It's good. So that's how you make poha. It's beaten rice, and I use the brown beaten rice. You get it from the Indian store. It's a very nice snack, or you can have it for dinner too. Let me get George to taste it. Okay, the poha is ready, and you can garnish it with, if you want, some more lemon juice, cilantro, bhujia, and some raisins.